So in this video I'm going to show you the right path of playing Android smartphone games on your PC. So don't skip the video, follow me along. So open any web browser and you need to search over here Google Play Games Beta. And why it is called beta? Because the reason is very simple. So Google Play Games is trying to establish a platform where you don't have to use any kind of emulator to play your favorite Android games on your personal computer or gaming computer. So over the years we have struggled, and I have made videos in the past on my other YouTube channels about installing emulators, that is the Android emulators. So Android emulators were good few years ago, but nowadays Android emulators consume a lot of RAM. So if you have low-end PCs or low-end graphics card, you can also play these games at low settings. Now the question is how to download this. It's very simple. You have to just click on this particular first link, is Google Play Games, play Android games on PC, and it will open this particular website. So here you can see download beta. You have to click on this option, and you can also check the requirements, that is the minimum requirements. To get started, download it on a computer that meets the minimum requirements. So let's check it out. So what are the minimum requirements? Windows 10 version 2004. So I expect everyone has the 22H2 version. So SSD with 10 GB of available storage space, so everybody has that. Intel Ultra HD graphics 630 GPU or comparable. Now what is this? This is very important. Intel Ultra HD graphics 630 doesn't come with the 4th generation Intel processors. It comes with the 6th, 7th, 8th generation. So if you have a 6th generation, 7th and 8th generation, or 9th or 10th generation even, you get that Ultra HD graphics of 630 GPU. This is the inbuilt GPU of a PC, of a processor. 4 CPU physical cores, that is at least 4 core processors are required. Dual core processors won't be working. Dual core 4 thread processors won't be working. You need 4 CPU physical cores. Some games require an Intel CPU. Ryzen CPUs are not required. Intel CPUs are required because they consume the performance of your processors rather than the performance of your GPU. And the memory, nowadays I've always told you about 16 GB of RAM. This tells 8 GB of RAM, but I recommend you at least 16 GB of RAM to run games. And virtualization must be turned on. So what is virtualization? How can you check that? Right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, and after that you have to go to the performance tab. And after going to performance tab, you can see that I have my virtualization enabled. So running any virtual machine like this, because the Google Play Games Beta is a virtual machine, you have to keep that virtualization on for your PC from the BIOS. So this is the minimum system requirements for Google Play Games Beta, and you can certainly try this. I've tried this, and you can also try this. I will be linking down in the description to how to download this, and the download page as well will be also there. So hopefully this was a very good video for you all. In the near future I may bring some gameplays on this as well if required. If you request, comment down below. See you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye, and subscribe to the channel.